YouTube, opinionated review here, and today I got a nice little tweet review for all you Twitter addicts out there. Now this one is called TwitKaFly. It's for $1.99 in the Big Boss repo, and it's by my good buddy Moeseth. Now this one adds a lot of features to your Twitter app, like quick reply, quick compose. You can blacklist and whitelist people. Now it only works with the official app, which is super awesome for me because that's all I use. I don't like the others. And just by a swipe, I can compose a tweet or reply by someone when I get a push notification, but we'll talk about that later. So when you install it, Respring, it adds a little app to your Springboard. You're going to have to log in. So you're going to hit login. It's going to have to get the token, and you have to give it access by logging in. So I'm going to do all of this off camera. And after you're done putting in your credential, all you have to do is click Authorize App, kind of like when you go on Vocal or Vocally, whatever it is, and some of those other websites that want to access your Twitter account. This is what you have to do. So now that I'm logged in, I can actually send a tweet from right here, but that's boring. I'm not going to do that. You also have to set it up in the Twitter app, the settings app. So we're going to go down until we find it all the way to the bottom right there, TwitKaFly, and you can see you have a number of settings in here. You can enable quick reply, autocorrect. You can set an icon for these three. You can this is how you want to hide it, whether you want to use the home button, if you want to tap it 3 times, if you want to do the button or 2 taps. I just do 2 taps. Here's your whitelist and your blacklist, and you can set it from directly in here. You don't actually have to go into Activator to set it. So I normally set my stuff from the status bar, so I have it set to when I swipe down from the status bar. You just hit there and set it, and that's it. You have email, you can email him. This is his Twitter, and we have documentation. So now we're gonna get to the fun part. So now all I have to do is swipe from the top to activate it, because that's how I have it set up via Activator. And now I'm gonna compose a tweet here, and then I'm just gonna hit send. Open up my Twitter app, scroll up to the top, and as you can see, the tweet that I just tweet is right there, TwitKaFly equal awesome. Now I'm going to go and reply to myself so you guys can see the push notification at work. And as you can see, somebody actually replied to me because I was talking to myself on Twitter. So I'm going to go and I'm going to reply to him. This is Tom of Action. So I'm going to reply to him. He's a cool guy. So he replied to me, and I'm replying back. And as you can see, I said, LOL, I'm testing an app for review, and you're going to be in it since you replied. And as you can see, you have the character limit up there. So you have everything. I'm just going to click send and open up the Twitter app once again, and the tweet should be right in there. And there you go. That's the tweet. Now this is super awesome. The only place it doesn't work is at the lock screen. It doesn't work at the lock screen. The regular push notification works, but it works inside any app, and it does everything else. Once more, you can tweet from right here, but that's boring. That's basic. But you can also activate it via Activator. It only supports 1 account at the moment. I'm hoping that he adds at least 1 more account. I think it has to do with the token or what's not. I'm not sure. I'm not a developer, but this app is super awesome. This tweet, you guys should definitely check it out for $1.99. Gives your Twitter app, the official one, a lot more function. With that being said, please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day.